Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Ring doorbell to Alexa, follow these simple steps to integrate your smart home devices seamlessly. Step 1. Make sure your Ring doorbell is properly installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network using the Ring app on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged in with the same Amazon account linked to your Ring doorbell. Step 3. Tap on the More menu at the bottom right corner of the Alexa app, then select Skills and Games. Step 4. Search for the Ring skill in the search bar and tap on it when it appears in the results. Step 5. Tap Enable to use and follow the prompts to link your Ring account by entering your Ring login credentials. Step 6. Once linked, tap Discover Devices or say Alexa, Discover Devices to let Alexa find your Ring doorbell. Step 7. Wait for Alexa to complete the discovery process, which usually takes about 20 seconds. Step 8. You can now control your Ring doorbell using voice commands like Alexa, show me the front door on compatible Echo Show devices, or receive doorbell notifications through your Alexa-enabled devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.